Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Vivek and this is another video in our web scraping tutorial. Now in this video we are going to cover about Serpstack tool. This is one of the most commonly used tool for web scraping. By using this tool you will get the ranking of your e-commerce website. Which ranking? SEO ranking, search engine optimization ranking. So how many customers are visiting your website? Is your website is on top when anyone search it on Google. So this kind of ranking you can get. It is a cloud API that returns Google search results as JSON format. So instead of opening the Google browser and scraping the HTML, you simply call the API like providing the name. And it returns you the result in structured format like organic results, paid advertisements, images, video, news, shopping, maps, related searches. And there are always some advantages and limitations of Serpstack. Advantages is it is very easy, very low code you have to write down. Then it is very fast. No CAPTCHA is required. No Selenium is also required. Then you will get the response in the structured JSON format. From that JSON, you can extract what you want exactly. It is stable as Google HTML changes. It don't affect your code because the API normalizes the response, so you don't have to worry about it. You don't have to change your script again and again. Disadvantages as like you have to depend on the API keys. The server stack. If the server stack is down, then your application will be down. If you exhaust the free API credits, then you have to go to the paid version. Rate limits on the free plans. If you want to increase the rate limits, then you have to go to paid plan. Then it results search results, not the full page content. If you want to get the full page content, then you have to use another web scraping tools. We have to depend on external services. It is less flexible than building your own crawler for a specialized extraction. In Firecrawl, you will get the entire page. Means you have to just scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, and you will get the entire web content if you are using Firecrawl. But in Serpstack, this is not the case. Now, when should you use Serpstack? You should use Serpstack if you want Google search content, SEO tools, ranking tracking, then keyword search, competitor analysis. If you want a news discovery, image search, shopping search, automated search monitoring, then Serpstack will help you. But when you don't have to use this Serpstack, if you want the entire web page content, article text, blog content, PDF extraction, table from web pages, login protected pages, JavaScript heavy page interaction. For this, you have to use another tools like BeautifulSoup, Selenium, Playwright, Firecrawl, Crawl, 4AI, Gina AI Reader. So this thing you have to use. So this is a theoretical part we have covered in our first half. Now I will show you the source code. Entire source code is present in the GitHub repository and the link is provided in the description box. So this is a requirement.txt. Only three libraries are there. No any server API key. You have to install Streamlit for web frame, then request to download HTML, then .env to get access to this .env file. Now app.py is the file. You have to import a Streamlit as HT, then request, then OS operating system, then .env to load the content present in the .env. This variable you have to extract the key value pair. Then this is the title. Then inside query, this is the text box. And if you click on this search button, then this URL will be getting it and yeah, here you will get the response, and from that response, you will get the data that is organic data, and from that result, you will get a header, subheader, then URL, and then the snippet. Snippet means whenever you search on Google, you get one line or two line and URL and heading. Just that's it. So that is called a snippet. I will show you the code how it works now. Streamlit run app.py, and this is Serpstack env. This is our virtual environment. we have created. I will hit enter. Now you will see how to get the API key. So here, Serpstack.com pricing, you will see the pricing $30, $100, $200, and this many searches per month you can get. One search means 5,000 search means 5,000 clicks are there, and here are the feature: global location, Google Search API, proxy network, search type JSON, and this many. So according to your use cases, you can get it, and here you will get the discounts as well. So in here, if I type Python and click search, this is the heading actually you can see, and our application is running. So you can see welcome to python.org. Python.org means we are getting heading, then URL, then this is the snippet, little snippet. Then another is onlinepython.com, then Wikipedia, then code academy, then Reddit, then program bees. Now I will search it on Google directly. So Python. Okay, here you can see Python. First is python.org. You can see python.org. Python is the programming language. Learn more. Python is programming language. Learn more. Welcome to python.org. This is the heading. So this is the heading. Okay. Another is online python.com, Wikipedia, W3 School, Code Academy. So sometimes sequence is changed, but you get the top results. Wikipedia, Python, programming language, program bees. Okay, so these are the things. Means see how beautifully you will see heading, URL, and a snippet. So this is how you can extract the data from Google page via these API keys, and that's it. So this is like another alternative to scrap the web page content to get the Google search content. We have seen so many tools like Gensar, Exa, Serper, Serpstack, then Tavily, then Selenium, then BeautifulSoup, Firecrawl. All the tools have a variety of their use cases. Some shows only snippets, some shows the detailed page data, some shows the page data without any advertisement content. So every feature has some different functionality. All are different a little bit. Their pricings are different. Some are like similar. They are alternative to each other. So you have to choose what is best for us. Okay, because see, for browser automation, you will prefer Selenium. If you want to just scrap the HTML page content, for example, Wikipedia, then you will use BeautifulSoup. If you want to extract the entire page content, then you will use Firecrawl. If you want to see just Google results snippets, then you will use a Serpstack or a Serper. So, and Exa for AI ready-made content. GenSerp for LLM ready-made content. If you want to provide the data to the embedding, then to the vector database, then chunking. If you want to do chunking, then GenSerp will be helpful. So based on your use case, they are categorized differently, and you have to choose that particular models. So that's it for today's video. If you really like my efforts, if you like my channel, then please do like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Better Call Paul. And we will see in the next video soon. Thank you. Bye bye.